A high wind watch is in effect. Today, windy with showers and thunderstorms. High 61. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Tonight, rain and wind. Low 54. Saturday, windy with rain. High 60. A tornado warning has been issued for our area. Here's our 7-day outlook.
What is success? Is it a
Right.
To the special weather statement, featured at 6:37 a.m. The National Weather Service in Oldham has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Pacific County and southwestern Washington until 7 a.m. At 6:36 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located in Air Bay Center, Oregon, 19 miles southeast of Westport, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Raymond, South Bend, Bay Center, and Tuckland. This includes the following highways in Washington: U, South, Highway 101 between mile markers 38 and 66, State Route 6 between mile markers 1 and 2. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Now she takes it everywhere. Reassuring, knowing she can get help with just the press of a button.
One touch in any unsafe or uncertain situation, you'll be immediately connected to a highly trained agent who can confirm your location, assess the situation, and get you the help you need.
There's even a free link app that connects my mom's live read to my smartphone. So I'll be notified right away if something does happen. I'm so happy that my mom can keep doing what she loves, and she's happy too, knowing I don't have to worry. Buy the Lively Urgent Response device at Walmart Pharmacy or Rite Aid and get the first month free.
Exclusively from Great Call.
Learn more at greatcall.com.
Your brain is an amazing thing, but as you get older, it naturally becomes.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Thankfully, the breakthrough in Prevagen helps your brain and actually improves memory. The secret is an ingredient originally discovered in jellyfish. In clinical trials, Prevagen has been shown to improve short-term memory. Prevagen, the name to remember.
What if an insurance company wasn't really there when things went wrong? Because for every tornado, there's a twister. For every crash, an even bigger collision. And for every tailspin, well, tailspins. State Farm understands that getting the most out of life doesn't just mean being there when things go wrong. It's about being here in all of life's moments, when things go perfectly right.
Pure is big, bold, bright, and just better. That's why at McCormick, Pure Flavor is our mission, so you can realize the rich taste of pure flavor. After all, the smallest pinch of McCormick can make meals legendary, because Pure tastes better.
Well, a tornado alert of this massive storm coming into the Pacific Northwest has spawned a tornado warning. For Pacific County, you can see it there, the storm moving northeast, racing at 55 miles per hour. Again, Pacific County. It is actually quite rare to have this tornado warning, but there's actually already been one about an hour and a half ago. Same county, same
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
east at 55 miles per hour. Pacific County, Pacific Northwest, and it doesn't really seem like this is going to be just the second time. We could see them again. All right, so with all that rain coming in, raindrops are not a